Oh my stars, you guys, I just finished creating all the projects for the Bee and Butterfly Creativity Kit, and I thought I'd share them and tell you how much fun I had creating them. And I know I had fun because my shop is a mess, and for some reason that seems to be the way it goes. The more fun you're having, the more mess you're making. And I'm a crafter who takes a kit and has to have all the pieces out at once because I want to see all the possible variations before I commit to anything. So I'm generally working on many projects at one time, and for some people that might be a little crazy head, but for me it seems to work, and I think I get a better variety of projects out of it. I got some cards today and some tags, and this one is a shaker, but it does tend to take over the shop a little bit, so that's the trade-off, I guess. Guys, if that's how you craft, leave me a comment in the description below, because I would like to know that I am not the only crazy head crafter out there. So I did make a few sweet and simple cards. Now for me, I feel like I would always like to have ribbon and flowers and bows and pearls and all the parts on a card, but sometimes you just need a simple card. This tag, not simple. Like a holy Dinah, I threw everything at it that I had. There's altered chipboard and flowers and metal and some acrylic film strip and some fringy bits and some netting. So that one, I guess, is got all the stuff. Like all the things are on that tag. Oh, this one is sweet and simple. I love the burlap because it adds so much texture. And for this card, it's just got layers of the matting and the image with some stickles. I don't know if you can get the sparkle from that, and the burlap. So it's sort of country inspired, like country chic. And I just really enjoy putting spacers between the layers because I think it helps the focal images to be like the really important part of the card. And for me, like I have created these images for these cards. They're all new digital images, and I want them to be the star of my project. I generally make 8. I don't know, I lost count this time and I wound up with 9. Now I'm not complaining because 9 is better than 8, but yeah, I'm gonna have to learn to count. Look at that Tart tin. It's so cute. Anything in a Tart tin is better, right? So all right, well, that is it for the projects that I created with the Bee and Butterfly Creativity Kit. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, give me a comment, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.